Linktree, now part of Meta, allows you to create a single landing page with multiple links. Keeping your Linktree profile clean and up to date is crucial. Deleting links, buttons, or entire pages is straightforward. First, log into your Linktree account via the web or mobile app. To remove a single link or button, navigate to your dashboard and find the specific item. Click the Edit or More Options icon, usually a three-dot menu. Then, select Delete or Remove and confirm your choice. Deleting a page removes all links nested within it. Remember that deletion is permanent, so double-check before confirming. The Linktree app now supports one-tap deletion for quick removal on mobile. Linktree now offers AI-powered cleanup tools that analyze link performance and suggest deletions for low-performing items, saving you time. Regular cleanup helps prevent broken links and improves user experience. Prioritize active links using the Sort Links feature. Enable two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized deletions and back up important links externally before removal. As privacy regulations tighten, Linktree offers selective deletion for removing links tied to personal data. Expect deeper meta integrations and AI-driven suggestions for link optimization in the future. Linktree's AI tool saw a 300% increase in usage in 2025, showing a trend towards automated cleanup.